Hello friends, welcome back in one more video, and today we are going to discuss having. Having is a little complicated concept from sentence correction point of view, and that is why we will discuss in detail. First question is, what is having? Actually, it is a verb and used verb plus ing as a main verb and used as a participle. Now question is, why is it not preferred in sentence correction? So reasons are, as a verb it plays two roles. In case of verb plus ing, in one case it is preferred, in one case it is not preferred. In case of participle, it plays again two roles. There are two types of participle, and that is why it is little confusing, and in sentence correction it becomes poisonous. So let us understand in detail. So the first of all, to understand the role of having, we should understand basic of it. All right. So having is a forming of have. From have it has come. Now, so as a verb, again, it plays two roles. One as an auxiliary verbs in perfect tense. Second as a main verb. And main verb means what? As an action verb. Look at an example. I have had tea few minutes ago. So here one have, first have is what? It is auxiliary verb. In second part, had is main verb. So have plays two roles. Look at one more example. I had fast food in that party. So the first had is past form of have, is in here it is auxiliary verb. In second part it is verb. So having has come from have, and have plays two roles. One as an auxiliary verb, second main verb. Now as in having, because it has come from have, and the meaning of have, so it has two meanings. One is eat, drink, take, experience. Second is possession. Remember, here the role of having comes. So when it is eat, drink, take, experience, in that case having is yes, but when the meaning of having is possession, in that case no. All right, that is called incorrect. Look at an example. I am having two friends. Here having, the sense of having is what? Possession, and that is why it is incorrect. So the correct version will be I have two friends. Look at one more example. I'm having good time. Here having means what? Experience. So if the sense of having is eat, drink, take, experience, it is accepted. When the sense is possession, in that case it is not accepted. All right. Having as a participle. Remember, participle is what? A verb that plays a role of verb at the same time adjective. So again it has two types. One is present participle, and what is present participle? Two actions together. Whenever present participle means what? When two actions take place together, that becomes present participle. And second is perfect participle. And what is perfect participle? One ended, then other starts. So having is used in two sense. One is present participle, second is perfect participle. And explanation of present participle is what? Two actions together. And in case of perfect, one ended, second starts. Now having as a present participle. Look at an example. As he does not have job, he is free. Same sentence can be written in shorter form using having. Having no job, he is free. So this is the short form of first sentence. Same sentence can be written, being jobless, he is free. So being is preferred in place of having. One more example. He was talking while he was having tea. Here having means what? Taking. Same sentence can be written, he was talking having tea. Now when having is used with a noun, in that case having is preferred. All right. Now as a perfect participle, look at an example. Remember, in perfect participle, one form is active form and one is passive form. So first of all, look at an example of active form. Raj has won 3 times. He does not want to participate now. Same sentence can be written in shorter form, and we can say Having won 3 times, Raj does not want to participate now. All right. So the second sentence is shorter form of the first one and it is in active form. Look at one more example. Raj has decided to talk. He is dialing Ram. All right. Same sentence can be shortened. Raj is dialing Ram having decided to talk. So longer sentence can be shortened with the help of having, and now it is in active form. In sentence correction, this sentence is not preferred. Why? Because it gives confusing meaning. All right. Look at another part. Having used as in passive voice too. The task was done after that boy went home. So look at first sentence. This is passive voice. All right. Same sentence can be written. The task having been done, he went home. Shorter form. The boy was expelled. He stood outside the class. Having been expelled, the boy stood outside the class. Now this is passive form. In sentence correction, the second part having been expelled is not preferred. Why? Because it is a form of passive voice. And as you know, passive voice is second preference of sentence correction. So I hope you get to know the different roles of having, and now whenever you will look at sentence, you will get the meaning, and as per meaning, you will decide that which option should be chosen. If you like this video, please do write something in comment box, and yes, subscribe and share. Thank you for your patience.